Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock multiplayer in Gran Turismo 7. Unlike many modern racing games, Gran Turismo 7 requires you to complete specific in-game objectives before you can dive into online races or even local split-screen. We'll guide you through the necessary steps, ensuring you can quickly join friends and competitors on the track. It's a straightforward process once you know the path. Your journey to multiplayer begins at the GT Cafe, where you'll receive menu books. These books guide you through the game's campaign, unlocking new features and cars. To unlock multiplayer, you must complete menu book number 9. This particular book culminates in the championship, Tokyo Highway Parade event. You need to finish in at least 3rd place to successfully complete this crucial step. Once you successfully complete menu book number 9 and secure a podium finish, 2 new areas will appear on your world map. The first is the Multiplayer Pavilion, located in the bottom right corner, which is your hub for casual online lobbies and 2-player split-screen racing. Additionally, the Sport Pavilion, found in the top right, unlocks, offering highly competitive, ranked online races that occur frequently. With the Multiplayer and Sport Pavilions now accessible, you're ready to experience the full breadth of Gran Turismo 7's online offerings. You can create or join lobbies with up to 19 other players for custom races or challenge a friend directly in local split-screen. For those seeking a more competitive edge, the Sport Pavilion provides regularly scheduled, ranked races. Get ready to hit the track and prove your driving skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.